Welcome to Harrow Close. I'm here to show you an extended 3-bedroom family home in Furze Platt. Now before I take you inside, let's show you the local area. A 2-minute walk from our property takes us to Furze Platt Train Station, which links into Maidenhead town centre. From here you can get on an Elizabeth line straight into London Paddington out to Abbey Wood. The town centre is currently undergoing its regeneration plan. And finally, North Town Moor is just a 10-minute walk away, with lots of beautiful walks out to Cookham or to Maidenhead Riverside. Now let's take you back to the property.